Hello. The weather has been turning a little bit warmer during the course of the weekend. We saw eventually that 20 degrees that we've been waiting to see in England, but things are turning a touch colder again from the north as we head through the rest of the bank holiday Monday, particularly across the north of Scotland. Elsewhere, not a bad day. Some sunshine, a few scattered showers, and they could be on the heavy side if you do catch one, particularly for eastern parts of the UK. That's where we've got that cold front just moving in across the north of Scotland, so colder conditions heading in there. But for most of us, we're still sitting in the mild air through the day on Monday. So those showers will build up through the middle part of the day, particularly for central and eastern England. It's here that they're going to be most frequent and heaviest too. And one or two for parts of Wales, but I think they'll fade away on into the afternoon. Northern Ireland, largely dry with some sunshine developing. The coolest weather will be across the north of Scotland, so only about 7 degrees for the likes of Stornoway and Aberdeen by the middle of the afternoon. Further south, we're looking at highs around 17 or 18 degrees, but we do have moderate or high levels of pollen for most areas just away from the far north of Scotland. Into the evening hours, those heavy showers in the east will linger for a while, but they will eventually fade away. And so most places largely dry through tonight, but we've got this bank of cloud, this weak weather front, which is just pushing south. So a bit of a cloudy, murky start for some of us, but largely frost-free, 7 or 8 degrees. But you'll notice the blue colours returning to the north of Scotland. There is likely to be a touch of frost around there first thing. So that's how Tuesday starts. Largely dry, fair amount of cloud. Could be the odd spot of drizzle, especially in the east, but it should brighten up through the day. So sunny spells, fairly light winds, feeling cooler than recent days around that east coast, just 10 to 12 degrees there. But further inland and towards the west, we're likely to see highs again up to about 16 or 17. Middle of the week looking largely settled. So this is Wednesday. We've got high pressure around. A few showers in the far northwest of the UK, brightening up from the south later on. But we've got a fairly cool easterly breeze, so not quite as warm as it has been over the past couple of days. Warmest weather probably for the likes of Liverpool, Cardiff, for instance. We're looking at 16 Celsius or so. And then towards the end of the week, well, it looks like low pressure will be anchored out towards the west, and that will push in some scattered showers and weather fronts, bringing a breezier, more unsettled spell of weather, particularly through Thursday and Friday. A touch cooler, and it does look like it stays fairly unsettled into the weekend, but do keep tuned over the next few days.